It's my story. 3 years back, I was having my heel pain. Due to that, I can't put my feet down in the floor. I went through some like YouTube videos and saw they told and they recommended that it maybe you can go for sugar test because it's due to high blood sugar. So I just I went to doctor and I did my sugar test and I found that I have 350 sugars. So I started medication which is recommended by doctor immediately. But then after I encountered another problems by taking the medicines. While taking medicines, my blood sugar got reduced to below 100 and it's went down to 70. Okay, so I feel very weak and lethargic. Then again went to doctor. Doctor recommended that I have to divide that one single piece of medicine to four different pieces and then I have to take one of it. So however I was like really tired of taking medicines because yeah I am, so I thought to not to take medicine but restrict my diet. That's where my journey started. uh, and same diet I'm sharing with you how I controlled my sugar. Right now it is coming down below like somewhat like somewhere it is going into sometimes 90, 83, and now sometimes it is 100, 110, and it is going like if average I will say like 120 is average right now for my blood sugar, and I'm doing only complete diet. There is no medicine I'm taking right now. So I will share with you guys uh, what are the uh, what are the food and the diet I have been changed and how the trick I am using to reduce my blood sugar. So yeah, it may be going to help you.